Good day, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Where I am right now, good afternoon, guys. So, on a quick one, uh, from my group, we have been eating on this index since it wasn't not since yesterday. So we have been eating it madly. I have drove set up upon set up. So all we need to do now is that I want to give every one of us a free 100 to 200 pips on Big index. So what was my conferences? My first conferences is that no, Big is not yet done with is not yet done with dropping. It's still dropping, and it will still continue to drop till when it gets to below this low. I was looking at now to be taking my buy from here. So until price gets here, I won't stop selling. See, this is almost, see now, this is like almost 100 pips now. So let me show you my first compliment. My compliment was that I could confirm a head and shoulder here. This buy haven't happened at all. This current buy that happened here haven't at all. I showed my guys that there is a QM on this in there, so that will be selling very hard. I think I showed the QM somewhere. I could still remember yesterday I dropped that. So let's not waste our time. So now we are at the right shoulder, then we have execute our first entry. So now this is what I'm talking about, in case you don't understand. Do you see this? This was my first conference, and the other conference even happened later on. So now we eat all this. Number one, we have a breaker here. I just know that no matter what, this thing is still going to, after breaking this low, this thing is still going to make a massive retest. But I didn't even went on the buy. I was selling around there. I was capping the sell around there. So, but my full focus was on the sell, and we have been on the sell since morning that we have woke up. So what we are looking at now is that now let's go to our today entry. So can you see this is the entry that we have made since morning, and we are still holding it off, though we first cleared the first TP1 bar. We have first cleared the first TP1. So all we just expecting now is a retest. We broke out of this low, and we are yet to make a retest to it. And in fact, I will tell you guys, if you are not in the mentorship session, you guys are really missing. So all the signal group, you guys are really missing. So because we are eating every day, I don't want to know if I should look for the 1 or 3 setup. At least 2 is going to play out for us very well. So now we are just waiting for this retracement to happen, and once we are done with that retracement, we are taking ourselves from around there, from this zone. There is so much sign that we are taking ourselves from there or anywhere above there. So this and the sell that we are taking there, we are targeting our again TP1, TP2, then the last TP is where I show you guys earlier, down there. So don't miss on this. And the reason why we still want to be taking that is because we are not done yet with the sell. A price broke this zone, came down, but price broke this zone. So automatically we know that we surely have a eSIM here. So no matter what, once the price surely come back to this level or go below it, and yet we are yet to come back to this level. So we are only having the retest now. If you could check your 4 hour time frame, you see that there is a fair value gap that price wants to fill in 1 hour 4 hours. Once price fill it, then we held down then I think maybe next week we will surely be buying this 10 for a very very long time. So these are the complexes that we have now. The sale can start anywhere from here, but we are just waiting. I'm still holding my snapper entry from this one, so all I'm just waiting now is that for price to hit anywhere here, give me the sign to enter, then we will surely hit once again. So this is a free signal for everybody, a free signal for everybody. Don't miss on this. If you really need money this weekend, don't miss on this. So it's easy, even though you don't know how, you are not good with entry, just draw your trend line. One price, just wait for price to break it, then one price break it, you go in. But the place where we will be entering, no, I've already gave the sell limit, and I know that for sure we will surely be eating from this time once again. So we are only waiting for price to get our premium zone again, so and we execute that trade again, we execute that perfect sniper and trade again. That's that, guys. So I don't want this video to be long. Enjoy. See you guys on the next one. Like, subscribe, and do not forget to always continue to learn. Always continue to learn.